Yeah. Ready? Levi, you want to do the honors? Nice and easy. Uh-oh. 10 out of 10. Would do it again.
Thank you for continuing to hold.
Hello, friends. Smell that? That's the smell of progress. And there's nothing I love more than progress. Look at the black door. It's brand new.
Oh my! Whoa.
How about that? I went with black on the outside and white on the inside. I have a feeling the color of the cottage is going to change. I'm just not a huge fan of that brown color. Someone actually suggested that I get rid of these little shutters, but I actually think they're adorable and I'm just going to probably paint them. Here comes a bedroom window. Those are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. Yep. It looks really good. Yeah, it looks awesome. Meanwhile, the kids have zipped themselves up in a sleeping bag. 1, 2, 3, jump! Oh no! This is a bit of a progress update. I just want to report that in places, I can see the floor, the beautiful new window. Made some good progress in organizing and clearing things out. Still a long way to go though, for sure. Going to attempt to take apart this giant bed today. I've actually never even seen a bed this high off the ground. Peeling back all the layers of bed. It's like an onion. So let's just get the blankets off here and see what's gonna, sir?
Hey, don't throw this away. It's like a bouncy castle.
Yeah, that's exactly what you don't want. Okay, no, guys, it's not a... One more layer.
Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, I bet it's gonna feel big in here without this large bed. This is gonna take way too long. I need to come back up here with either a drill or a saw. Oh, this is really exciting. Okay, so this whole story started when I found one of these guys in a gift shop in Berlin. So I thought, what could be a more special experience for a kid going to a cottage than to get their own Noodoll stuffed animal? So I ordered a ton of these. I've been working with the wonderful people at Noodoll trying to figure out how to get these into Canada for months. Okay, I'm at SS Tile and Stone and I just picked up some samples. I'm looking at some whites and greens that are going to bring out the sort of natural earthiness of the cottage. I want to try to pick some whites that are going to accentuate the original wood, like the cedar and pine, because I'm definitely keeping all of that. That character and that charm is what initially drew me into the cottage. I've got a green that's going to be going in the main washroom. I think I'm going to be going with the matte finish. That's going to make it feel a little more modern, a little more updated, a little more boutique hotel. Actually allowed to come inside this time. How's this one? Oh yeah, that's gonna be awesome. See? Hey, very Canadian. This morning I found out that the GE Cafe dishwasher from the appliance set that I ordered will not be arriving until May 26th, which puts a slight strain on things, seeing as it's a summer seasonal cottage rental. My contact there suggested that I call around and see if anyone else has it in stock.
To speak to an associate, press 3. Thank you for continuing to hold.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, it's the GE Cafe dishwasher.
You're not surrendering him, darling.
Okay.
Welcome to Kaplan's.
A GE Cafe.
Please hold, and you will be. Thank you for calling.
One thing I want to clarify is I ordered this cafe appliance set back in November when I took possession of this place. So it's pretty exciting. I'm up here for like a solid block of time. This is the longest I've been up here, more than just like one day up and down. This is my mobile editor setup. I also brought up, of course, a ton of boxes that I'm gonna unload. And at this point, like, I'm just trying to assemble, tear down boxes. The snow is melting. I can see the gravel of my driveway, which means spring is just around the corner. Holy. And I'm sliding. Hey, you may recognize me as one of the stars of this show, but I'm also the editor, and I forgot to shoot an outro. So this is pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next one, because I'm about to spend a week alone in the woods, and things get pretty interesting. I'll see you then. I will get up this driveway.